Hey beautiful people, thank you so much for tuning into my channel today. I am bringing you a Shein winter haul try on video. Stay tuned. All right, so for our first item, this is the rolled neck rib knit tee. Now they call this color brown, but to me it's like a burnt orange, and I did get this in a size 6. I am 5'10", 160 pounds. I have long arms, so I was happy with the length. Like, it's not super high, but it's like right above my wrist, which is okay. So to style it, I was like, ooh, you know how the men, they be wearing the black turtlenecks with a gold chain on the outside? What I'm gonna do is too. I'm gonna wear a gold chain, and then I also threw on some gold hoop earrings, because you can never go wrong with some gold hoops. And then I added an Ankara print clutch, which, you know, shout out to Nigeria, because my mom got that for me from Nigeria. I like the pops of color because, like, the yellow, you see some blue, and then the orange. It just adds a pop of color since the outfit is just, it's pretty simple itself. And then I also added personality glasses, and I do hate that my camera got dark when I put on the glasses, but it's okay. Y'all get the point. This was $7. Okay, so this item right here is one of my favorite items from this haul. This is their Turtleneck Slim Fit Tee. The color is a dark green, and this is a size medium. So again, I like the sleeve length. This is tall girl friendly, okay? The sleeves ain't at our elbow. They down right at our wrist. Come on, somebody. And to style it, I threw on a gold and green chain that I have, and then some studded tiger gold earrings. And again, we're adding a clutch that's a different color because it brings out a pop of color in this outfit. And then I added some sunglasses. I feel like sunglasses always add a pop to your look. Like, no matter what you're wearing, you throw on some shades, people gonna look twice like, who is she? Who is she? I'm Soso Models. That's who I am. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram, Soso Models. And this top was $9. It was a little pricier, but it was worth it. This is their high neck form-fitted top. The color is burgundy. I did get this in a size medium. So for the material for this one's made out of viscose. The past two items were polyester, which is thicker material. So viscose is a lighter material. So, if it's a super cold day, you're gonna wanna layer up with this. And I added a gold layered necklace. And hey, I added my Shein hat. Why not? Okay, why not? For a little hat swag, okay? Then I have on a rose gold watch, and I have on some small studded gold earrings. So I don't never like to do too much with my earrings if my necklace is already doing a lot. And then I got the hat, and now I'm adding the sunglasses. So it's best just to keep the earrings light. Okay, these sunglasses are from the Dollar Tree. Y'all do not sleep on the Dollar Tree. And Dollar Tree, I just don't bring that $1.25 mess up here, okay? And then I added a gold clutch. Why did I add the gold clutch, y'all? You guessed it, for the pop of color, okay? Your clutch is gonna add a pop of color to the outfit, and also this hat adds a pop of color to the outfit. This top was $9. All right, y'all, let's talk about this top. This is their tall, y'all heard me, tall mock neck knit rib knit tee. This is a tall size medium. And by the looks of it, it ain't hitting for tall people, y'all. I'm 5'10", and it's just not hitting. It's tight as heck. It was tighter than the regular size clothes. So that didn't even make sense to me. I was just like, wait, what? And the sleeves ain't even really that much longer than the regular size clothes. So I was like, all right, let me put on this great hat that I have. I'm like, okay, we gonna help this top because I already done spent my money and I'm keeping this top. Then added some Dollar Tree sunglasses. Y'all, this top, I was just so mad. I'm like, how is the tall top the tightest fitting top out of this whole order? And I couldn't stop thinking about it. It really upset me. I was hurt. I ain't gonna hold y'all. I was very hurt. Then I added a little black clutch. All right, this is $8. All right, last item, y'all. This is their basic mock neck crop tee. The color is red. This is in a size medium. And the material for this one is viscose as well. I think I was saying viscose earlier. It's really viscose, but y'all know I'm working on pronunciation. Anyways, I guess I thought I was just like, you know what, I'm gonna just do a crop tee. Why not? Because I'm only really gonna wear this in the house, so it doesn't really matter if my belly's hanging out. Ooh, and these jeans, these are my favorite jeans, y'all. These are Old Navy. They're high-rise built-in sculpt jeans, size 6 tall. Love these jeans. So, you know, if you're looking for some jeans, go ahead and hit up Old Navy. And also, this top, you know, the arm length is good, the sleeve length is good. And then I threw on a black and gold clutch, just a pop of color, a variety of color. And then I have on these little drop gold earrings. And of course I had to add some sunglasses. So I added some black and gold sunglasses, which match the clutch as well, y'all. And then I added a little timepiece, you feel me? So I always know what time it is. And this top was $7. For a discount on your next Shein order, make sure you check out the link in my description box. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Soso Models, and go ahead and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks on how we gonna save money and stay stylish. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.